It's a nice color. Really looks custom almost.
All right, so we've got something different here in the shop, and you can see that this color isn't something you see on an every day-to-day basis. So this is an older vehicle. It is a Holden, and this is gonna be a cool video because we are gonna be doing this as part of a collab for an awesome event that's gonna be going on with this vehicle. So we've got the parts in here now. This is a Holden Ute, so that's an Australian car, and we have to see if we've got anything on this color. I've looked this color up once I knew we were gonna be a part of this, and there is really not too much out there on it, especially with us in the 100 line. So the 100 line in the BASF is a newer system, so they don't go back very far with their documentation. So we've got a used fender, a used bumper. We've got to get that all primed up. That way we can get it ready and do our blends on the adjacent panels. We're gonna get this thing started by prepping out the parts, checking our color. Hopefully we've got something. If not, we got to reach out to my man Pat and see what he can do for us on this one. This color is 448N, and it is Morpheus purple. I think that's how you say it. Not sure exactly, but being it is a Holden, I'm gonna see what we've got early in this job. That way, if we have to reach out and get help from BASF, we're gonna be ahead of the game. So let's go ahead and put in our code and see what we've got. And you see that there, we've got no results found. So I had a feeling we were gonna have some trouble with this one. We're gonna go ahead and reach out to my man Pat, see what he can do for us on this, and hopefully we can get some help from the reinforcements at BASF. Hey, good morning, Pat, what's up?
What's going on, Kandyman?
Hey, so I got a color for a Holden, and when I put the code in, I didn't have anything come up in the computer on it.
Yeah, I don't think there's any documentation in Refinity with that, with 100 line. I'm gonna have to do some checking.
Oh, it might be because it's too old or just being it's a Australian car. You guys think you can pull this one off?
Well, let me get right back to you. All right, bye.
All right, so Pat is gonna be checking into that color for us. He's gonna reach out to the people over at BASF and see what he can get for us on this color. I have good faith that they're gonna come up with something, and you guys know they are a top quality company, so let's give it some time, and in the meantime we'll get prepping out on those parts and see how we can do for that. And that way, once we get our color dialed in, all we have to do is get them in, bang them out, and we can get this car back to who it needs to go to. That way it can go to its awesome event.
Tom, so Kandyman just called me, and he's looking for a Holden color. Color code is 448N as in Nancy. It's so like a purple metallic. I can't find anything on it. Need some help with this color. All right. Yeah, definitely do that. All right, yeah, I got to get this. I got to get a 100 line formula for him right away. So let's see what we can do. All right, thanks.
Pat, what's up? So what'd you figure out with that color?
So Tom's in the car. We got two formulas for you, standard and bluer. He pushed them right to your custom colors in Refinity. So you got two formulas.
Already in the computer?
Already in the computer, ready to go.
So you're telling me this is already in the computer now,
Yes.
even though we didn't have it the other day?
Tom pushed it right to your custom colors already. Right here it is. There's two of them. 448N, a bluer and standard formula for it.
Huh.
Yeah,
that's
Tom,
cool that you could push it in.
Tom did a lot of work.
Nice. This is gonna save me a lot of tinting problems, hopefully. All right, so let's mix up some of it and see what we've got. We'll mix up the standard first, and then if we need to, if we see it's a little bit light, if we need to go bluer, we'll see what we've got. Let's do that. Not bad, but we're gonna shoot the bluer one, and that's why we like to have two formulas, because we're able to check both spray out. That's gonna get us in the ballpark a lot closer. All right, we've got the second spray out card now, and just from walking up on it, I can tell that this is gonna be the one. Look at how nice of a match that color is. And that was the bluer. So the original one is dark from the flop. Look at how dark that color is from the flop. And then that bluer variant, it's got that same look, just like the one that we need. So that's the difference between paint reps right there. This guy walks the walk and he talks the talk, not like a lot of guys out there in these companies. So all right, so we've got the base on there, and I gotta tell you, I'm blown away on how well this color covers. So when we mixed it up, there's really not that many colors in it. It's mainly pearl, and you guys see we put down a medium gray, and it surprised the heck out of me on how it's still doing the same 1.5 coat coverage from the glasurit line, even though this is a custom color all the way from Australia that wasn't even really available in the 100 line. It's still covering like you would not believe. So I'm really excited on the outcome that this thing is gonna have, because this color is really phenomenal. It's got a lot of pearl, it flips back and forth, and I can't wait to clear it and show you guys how well it's gonna look. So let's get back in there and clear it and see how it comes out. All right, so we got the man here himself, Freddie.
How are you, man?
And I wanted you to tell these guys what this is going to be about, this here job that we did for you.
So this is a really, really special job. This is off of a 2000, I want to say 2009, I might be wrong. So it's a 2009-ish Holden SS Ute, and it's sort of like an El Camino looking thing. They never brought it to the States. I got it from Australia, and it was imported to Indianapolis, and then I drove it back home. And ultimately, this is a project that we are building for a charity, and the charity is, it's not like, you know, one of these big national charities. It's one boy and his family. So his name is Tyler Baldridge, and he has a medical condition that affects his spine. It's called Coffin-Lowry syndrome. And this car that we're building here, we're going to be raffling it off at an event called Outback in the Midwest, and that's going to be at my friend Travis Bell's place. Like, he has a giant sort of backyard where he invites like 500 people, and you know, it's all Ute people, it's all Holden people, GM, Pontiac G8, that sort of thing. And we're going to be raffling this off at that event for the highest bidder, and then all that money goes to Tyler and his family.
Nice.
So yeah, I'm super excited because, first of all, the car looks awesome.
Yeah, I love this color.
It's so cool, like this Morpheus purple, the 1 year only, and I know that you had, it was a bit of a pain in the butt to get it and match it, but you did a fantastic job.
Nice.
So what my job now is, I have to take this, put it on the car, and then well, I mean, we have a new engine for the car, we have new wheels, tires, like a bunch of stuff that we have to put on the car, get the car dynoed, and then drive it across the country, like in about 6 days. So, no pressure.
Nice.
You know? But dude, I want to thank you. You did a phenomenal job. All you guys here at Crash Champions was just amazing.
Nice.
So,
Well, we're glad to be a part of it, and we look forward to seeing it.
Absolutely, man. Yeah, this is awesome.
All right, thank you. So we were real happy with the outcome on that color. You guys seen that Freddie was very happy with it as well, but we're really more happy about what this is going to be going for. This is going for that charity, for that young family, to help out them with their son. And we are very happy, myself and Crash Champions, to be a part of it. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check it out on Freddie's channel, Tavarish. I hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you guys next time.